Hello guys, my name is Anish. Welcome to my channel, My Food Travel. Today we'll make kakara pitha. So let's start. Before that, please like my channel, share it and subscribe it. Let's start. Kakara pitha is a famous dish in Odisha. Take 1 cup of wheat flour or atta, 1 cup of water, half cup of jaggery, 1 teaspoon of salt. Take a kadai, then pour water. Add jaggery, add salt, let it melt. Make a slurry by adding 2 teaspoons atta with a little water, then pour the slurry into the kadhai. Add the atta, cover the lid and let it cook for 25 to 30 minutes in low flame. Take a coconut and scrape it. Now we will make coconut mixture. Take a pan, add jaggery, fennel seeds, cardamom powder, then scrape coconut and fry it for 2 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will turn on the gas and we will mix the atta dough. After 20 minutes, knead it to make a soft dough. Make balls from the dough and fill it with the coconut mixture. Then flatten it with the help of your palm. Heat the kadai, pour oil, fry the kakaras one by one. Now the tasty, delicious kakara pitha is ready. Hope you will like it. Thank you.